Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the AI chat feature on the DuckDuckGo browser. After opening the DuckDuckGo browser, you're gonna find the search one as default, and there is Duck AI. I will just press here Duck AI and press hi and press enter, and here you go guys. It's gonna be opening the AI feature chatbot here. So all what you need to do: free and private chats, anonymized by us, no account required, they don't need accounts, popular AI models from GPT, Cloud, Mistral and Llama. I will just agree and continue, and here as you tap and scroll I will block prestige trackers, and I will get it, try it, and here I will just delete it. So here guys is gonna be the customize the response. Here is gonna be using the clear of the things and so on. So and here you're gonna be choosing the elements of the models that you're gonna be using the model. So search for me the best model for development. So here guys, as you find, it's gonna be a really simple way to do so. So the thing is, it's a normal shot of the iChat model, but in DuckDuckGo browser. So here another thing, and when I'm searching I will just use DuckGo, and when I go the earth, and it's gonna be giving me a shot one to having the thing. So if you have the normal shot, you just type shot and then you will just press anything. So here guys, all what you need to do to know about the AI features in DuckDuckGo browser. I hope you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Peace.